HR representative.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Gino Guanzon, currently the AVP for HR in the Ateneo Psyche, and now I want to be the next president of this org. My platform is straight and simple. As Poon said, it's a whole 12 words. Project structure, increase organization, and bring the home back to the home org. So let's start with project structure. As my year as AVP, I've learned that some of the AVPs don't know what to do exactly when it comes to projects. So wouldn't it be great if, we don't have to have this problem anymore? This is why I propose we have an AVP kit. The AVP kit should supplement the PH kit as it should have possible contingency plans and general ideas for what to do per project. Along with the general ideas, I believe that it should have a checklist and it shouldn't be left with the project head. Because sometimes, as it has been proven before, that the checklists don't really get checked or don't even get noticed anymore. So the AVPs would most likely be would be the ones that will see through the vision of the project. So they should plan ahead and see the possible problems that would occur, as they are the more experienced members. My second point is increased organization. Through my time here in Psyche, I've come across quite a number of project proposal forms, and I'm sure some of you have too. And it's come to a point during the start that I didn't know what to do. Then we had the project head kit. And it was great. It served as, it had everything we needed, but sometimes the files weren't exactly suited per project, such as what happens with code or other sub-projects. Wouldn't it be easier as well if these problems didn't have to be raised before they were answered? For this, I propose that the project head kit next year will be combined with soft copies of this year or the previous year for next year, so that it would be a guide for them to know which possible venues, what idea, what direction they should go to. But I don't think it should lock them down to it should be like this or like that. No, it should still have their own ideas, but it should serve as a guide for what they want to do. Okay, so the organization part of it. I want to have something as simple as a Dropbox file for the whole of Psyche. Well, at least something that the AVPs or the whole EV can have. It's something like Ateneo Psyche, and then in it has a folder for each committee, then each project, and then the AVPs can get the files, the old project proposals, and all the necessary files, as well as the new. Then they'll be the ones to distribute it to their project heads. Now, the third point I have is bring the home back to the home organization. Psyche is my home org, our home org. And it has been here for us for quite some time. Look, we're all here right now. And I'd like everyone to help, I'd like to help everyone see and feel this as well. This is why I'd like to reinstate the family system. Aside from the barn, the family system should serve as a way to relate, for the members to relate to one another. They'll have things in common, such as they'll be sort of like siblings or have same parents, as well as they're sort of directly related to the whole EB itself. Now, a few years ago, there was a family system, but it wasn't as great because some parents seemed to fall out. Some kids didn't want to talk to their parents, and there was a problem of cliquishness. But I plan that the whole EB should be the parents for next year, because that way we have members we have parents that we know are dedicated to the org. And then the members themselves can just tell the parents or the EB members what problems they have with this org, and they can be addressed easily. So that's it. I hope you guys can vote for me or Steph or any other candidates come the Psyche elections. Thank you.